Hi, friends! Welcome to our colorful adventure. Let's learn colors with ice creams and a soccer ball.
This is a soccer ball. Can you see the colors?
Look! A red ice cream! Red like an apple!
Can you point to something red? Here's a blue ice cream. Blue like the sky. Which things are blue?
Yellow ice cream! Yellow like the sun!
Can you spot the yellow things? Can you say the colors? Red, blue, yellow. Wow! The soccer ball changed colors. Red, blue, yellow. Green ice cream. Green like the grass. Can you spot the green things? Let's make a colorful ice cream tower. Red, yellow, blue, green. The soccer ball loves colors too. Look, it changes colors. Orange ice cream. Orange like a carrot. Can you spot the orange things? Purple ice cream. Purple like a grape. Which things are purple? Look at all the colors together. Can you name them? Where's the yellow ice cream? Can you find it?
Which ice cream is red? Point to it!
Which ice cream is blue? Can you find it? Can you spot the green ice cream? The soccer ball is so colorful. Watch it change colors. Chocolate ice cream is brown and yummy. Strawberry ice cream is pink and sweet. Which ice cream is red? Point to it. Which ice cream is blue? Can you find it? Can you spot the green ice cream? The soccer ball is so colorful. Watch it change colors. Chocolate ice cream is brown and yummy. Strawberry ice cream is pink and sweet. Can you spot the brown things? Can you spot the pink things? Let's make a giant ice cream tower with all the colors.
The soccer ball races through the ice creams. Bounce, bounce, bounce!
Look at the ice cream parade. So many colors.
Look! Blue and yellow make green! Magic colors!
Red and blue make purple. Amazing! Yellow and red make orange. Can you see? Yay! Colors everywhere. Look at all the confetti.
The soccer ball loves color hoops. Bounce through each one.
Whee! Sliding through rainbow colors is so much fun. Let's sing the color song together. Red, blue, yellow, green. Sing along with the colors. Watch the objects change color. Where is the orange ice cream? Can you find it? Can you spot the purple ice cream hiding? Look carefully.
Who can make the tallest ice cream tower? Let's stack them up.
Watch the soccer ball jump and spin over the ice cream towers.
Which one is yellow? Can you find it? Can you find the red ice cream? Which one is blue? Look carefully. Can you spot the green ice cream? Wow! Look at the rainbow ice cream! So many colors! Look at the colorful ice cream parade! Yay! So many colors! Let's celebrate with confetti!
The soccer ball races through all the colors. Go, go, go!
Which ice cream is chocolate? Can you find it? Which ice cream is strawberry? Point to it. Magic! When we mix colors, we get new colors. Wow! Whee! Sliding through all the colors is so much fun!
The soccer ball loves colors too. Bounce on every ice cream.
Can you find the red balloon? Look carefully. Can you spot the blue balloon? Where is it? Stack all the ice creams to make a beautiful tower. Can you spot the green leaf? Look carefully.
Bounce, bounce, bounce! The soccer ball loves the ice cream tower.
Which ice cream is orange? Can you find it? Which ice cream is purple? Point to it. Let's make a rainbow ice cream tower. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Hop, hop, hop!
The soccer ball jumps on all the colors. Yay! A confetti party with all the colorful ice creams. Can you find the blue ice cream? Where is it?
Can you spot the red ice cream? Look carefully.
Look! When we mix all colors, we get a rainbow. Whee! Who will slide fastest? Red, yellow, blue, or green?
Spin, spin, spin.
The soccer ball lands safely after its colorful journey.
Can you spot the green ice cream? Look closely. Where is the orange ice cream? Can you find it? Look at the rainbow ice cream parade. So colorful. The soccer ball jumps on all the rainbow colors. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Which one is chocolate? Can you find it?
Yay! We built the tallest ice cream tower! Hooray!
Can you spot the strawberry ice cream? Magic! Mixing colors makes new colors. Look at the rainbow! Whee! Who will reach the bottom first? Red, yellow, blue, or green?
Spin, spin, spin. The soccer ball lands safely after its colorful journey.
Where is the pink ice cream? Can you find it? Can you spot the yellow ice cream? Look carefully. Stack all the ice creams to make a rainbow tower.
Wow!
Bounce on all the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Yay! Look at all the colors! Confetti party time! Can you find the green balloon? Where is it? Where is the orange balloon? Can you spot it?
Slide, slide, slide. Who will reach the bottom first?
Spin, spin, spin. The soccer ball dances through all the colors.
Wow! Look at the rainbow ice cream parade! So many colors! Can you spot the purple ice cream? Look closely! Where is the blue ice cream? Can you find it? Let's make another rainbow ice cream tower. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Bounce on all the rainbow colors again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Can you spot the red balloon? Look carefully. Yay! Confetti and colors everywhere. Let's celebrate. Can you spot the red balloon? Look carefully. Where is the pink balloon? Can you find it?
Spin, spin, spin. The soccer ball loves the colorful towers. Slide, slide, slide. Who will reach the bottom first? Let's see. Wow! Look at the rainbow ice cream parade. All the colors together.
Can you find the orange ice cream? Look carefully. Where is the green ice cream? Can you spot it? Let's build the tallest rainbow ice cream tower. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Bounce on all the rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
Look at all the colors. Confetti party time. Can you spot the pink ice cream? Look carefully. Where is the yellow ice cream? Can you find it? Whee! Sliding through all the colors together is so much fun!
Spin, sin, spin. The soccer ball lands safely after its coloral journey.
Yay! We learned so many colors today. Thanks for playing and learning with us. See you next time.